Welcome back. I changed my mind here, so we will not do refactoring. Let's analyze first the database of eShop. So in this way, we can know what routes and what schemas we can build and creating the files in the backend. So here we have list of the tables or documents or collections which we need in our database. Every eShop has products, orders, categories, users, and order items. This is the simplest eShop. So when you want to grow up more, you need to have more tables like reviews or, for example, some new categories or bigger categories. So we start simple and we will build our eShop to be bigger slowly. First of all, the products, for example, it has ID, which is the ID for the product. And this ID is generated when we post any ID to the database automatically by MongoDB. The name of the product and also description and the rich description. Rich description is used for example, I want to store some HTML code. Sometimes people are using as a description of the products with images and titles and some complicated rich texts. So we will see how we will have editor in the front end for HTML. We need also the main image of the product and it's a string which will store the URL to that image. Also, we need a gallery. The gallery will have some images and array of strings of URLs where we have a gallery of the product, more detail about the product. And then we will have a brand and also price of the product. Category, it will be the type category. In MongoDB, here we will have something called references. It's not like relational databases, but here we can define the type of the table directly. So as we will see in the future, we will see that this category is a type of category or has a reference to the category table. And count in stock, how much items of this product are in the storage, also rating based on reviews, and if this product is featured or not. So to see it in the homepage immediately as a featured product. And then we will see that what day this product is created. For categories, we just need a name, maybe some additional data. For example, what I need in the front end sometimes color, so I can color every category based on some specific color, and also icon or image. For orders, we need order items, which is array of order item, and order item is a table where it contains the product and the quantity. So every order will have a product and a quantity. So maybe I will have 10 products, I ordered them in one order, and then every product will have some quantity. The shipping address 1 and shipping address 2 and city, zip code, country, phone number of the user, status to see if this order is, for example, pending, shipped or delivered, and also the total price. We will see how to calculate the total price based on the order items. And the user who ordered this order, because we will have login for every user who wants to order something. And then the date of the order. For the users, we need an ID, name, email, where the user will log in with his email, and the password hash. The password should be stored hashed in the database. I cannot store it as plain text. Street, apartment, city, and zip code, and also country with a phone number, and also to know if this user is admin, so he can log in to the, for example, admin panel or not. Maybe someone will ask why I separated here the address from the user. Like for example, I can have extra table like address here, and then I can put these fields in that table, and I can relate user and orders to that address table. Actually, Most e-shops has a problem that sometimes user after he orders something, he change his address, but the order is already shipped. So we need to store the order as a plain with the shipping address how the user placed it, not related to the user address. We will use this address just to autofill the order address when the user is ordering something after he log in. In this way, we took an overview about our database in MongoDB. Now we will go to the backend and create the files and refactor our code a little bit to be based on this database structure.